DoWell My Fridge. Upgrade your fridge to smart, an interesting software released by DoWell UX Living Lab. So procedure is very simple. It's explained on the packet. Paste the QR code on your food container, then scan the QR code, save and activate, follow notification. What is this pack? This pack contains 500 QR code stickers, 50 markers for racks, then login credentials and manual. How to use? All these instructions are behind this pack. Also, you can connect to website or talk to the team for help. First step is download My Fridge app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. By scanning this QR code, it will be connecting to Apple Store or Google Play. You can scan the QR code or search in DoWell My Fridge to download from Apple Store or Google Store. Then after installation, the steps are here. Paste the QR code, scan QR code, activate, repeat, and notify. Okay, this product you can buy from various marketplaces. Connect your fridge or items in your fridge and view it through your app.